What are we doing today, Garrett? This is really bright, isn't it?
I can't see.
We're repairing one man's car.
Shit, you gotta stop.
It's bright, I know, I'm sorry.
It's bright. It's bright. Look at me, I'm Donald. I'm telling Garrett it's bright, and it's right in my fucking face, so thanks.
Look, I'll put it in mine, see? Is that fine?
Yeah, that's better.
Alright, so... more dumb shit.
More dumb shit with a double STHSHITT.
There's actually not that many letters in...
You let him spell how he wants to spell.
How you doing, Derek?
Just leave me alone, Mom!
That's how I'm doing.
What? I'm gonna put this little hat.
It's locked! Oh no! Wow, that's kind of cute.
It looks uneven-ish.
It is.
Oh no, we're fine. Wait, take it up like one more actually. One more. You're fine. I get it. Hand me a jack stand. And that light actually. I can empty my pot. That's not good. They all be welded actually. I thought I bolted like right here.
Are you a ding?
I might be a ding.
Better get the sawzall.
Not right.
No, you don't want to do that.
Or does it bolt on the other side of this muffler? Oh, I see where it bolts up there, but that's way up there. That's like just barely.
Usually bolts past the muffler.
That's like at the cats up there.
Yeah, I mean that's like what we've done to all the cars.
Well, let's fucking do it from all the way up there. Give me another thing. Give me another thing of cardboard.
No, just like get up, move the
Slide
cardboard.
it in.
Just shimmy.
That's not what I said.
Well,
That's pretty.
how did I get hair in my mouth? Oh my god, it's all the way up there. Cool, right after a resonator actually.
Oh my god.
Do you see it?
No, but that's ridiculous.
Look, right there.
It'll be all right.
Oh, thanks, Derek. This car falls, I'm dead.
Yeah. No, you're good, dude. You'd be hurt, but you'd be good.
Look, you see it? Aim it like that way. It's literally after resonator.
So good. This thing's gonna be dumb.
It's mint though.
We're already dumb.
We're not stupid for not knowing exactly how to do it.
So do I like drop the jack like right now?
No.
Yeah, you just pull the lever and yeah. This lighting is bright.
Tell me when to do the duty.
I'm going.
3.
3. Go on 3.
3. Oh! Where's the bus? There it is. Got it.
Oh, this thing's just out of focus.
What?
That Luke baby.
What, part 2?
Prisoner of Azkaban.
Oh, why
When
are
Harry
you
first
being
encountered
so much?
a Dementor.
That
I'm
thing
not
sounds
under.
awful.
I know, I'm worried.
I'm not mounted.
I know you're not mounted, that's why I stopped! I like how your dad was like, I have to use the lift, and it's been like 45 minutes.
Well, he has to wait until Kathy gets back.
Oh, that really sucks.
Yeah.
We just really could have used that lift.
It would have taken us longer than it would have taken her to get back.
I don't know about that, but
No, it really would have because you got fucking 9-foot exhaust to route outside of the car. We had to cut Derek's to get his all the way out.
So,
Are we gonna have to take the whole thing off to hear what it's gonna sound like without it?
No, we can just unbolt it and just kind of pop. And then,
Okay, because I do want to hear first. if it is gonna be belligerent.
It's gonna be belligerent.
No, it's gonna be ludicrous.
You lifting, bro?
Not in a couple
But
months.
honestly, we could probably find exhaust for this thing on Craigslist for like $55. So
Yeah, and if it doesn't,
or you just run
louder,
straight.
but I don't want it to be just
Ignant.
crazy.
Whoa, that was weird.
Mine's gonna be IGNANT in about 2 weeks.
Why?
Yeah. Hey.
None of these sockets fit. None of these sockets fit. They're all too big or small.
Socks don't fit when they're small.
Let me get under there.
Hey, there's your oil filter that's loose.
It's probably, it's probably because none of those are deep well, and that's where you went.
No, I don't need a deep well. It turns out it's just none of these are the right size.
Well, we need the ratchet that's going to be able to get behind that plate too.
That ratchet will work, but if it's
As long as the head bends.
if it's a deep, you don't. You're right. It will need to bend. Piss. Fucker, I didn't even think about that.
Who are you texting? Sounds like your car, to be honest.
Right? I can hear oil burning.
Now that we're a little safer.
Should I put it on that cross member, or is it fine up under that pinch weld?
It'll be fine. I don't think you're gonna. Huh?
Alright. Well, this is not the way I'd like to die.
It'd be.
It's gonna suck.
I just want to hear how ignorant it is.
Oh, it's not gonna be that bad. Wait, I've got it lefty loosey.
Righty teddy.
Who makes Mazda?
Mazda?
No, Ford owned Mazda.
Okay, so it's American made.
Not anymore.
Who makes it now?
I don't know who owns Mazda now, to be honest with you.
Why? Why is your guts halfway out?
I'll be all the way out now. Looks like I'm having a baby.
Stop, man! Don't aim it at me.
Are you getting a loose?
No.
Oh, wow. The whole thing's moving.
There it goes.
Oh, dude, that is the cat right there.
I told you.
Wait, that's going to be open header.
That'll be dope. It'll be loud.
Yeah. Thank you.
I told you it was coming right off a resonator.
No. You did not say that it was before the cat.
Did you pull your pants up?
No,
That's bad.
I would. Okay, there we go. We're good.
If I put a fry down it.
Oh my god.
That happened.
Yeah, he was there.
Huh?
Garrett was there.
Oh, Garrett was there?
Yeah,
I was telling the people of YouTube, actually.
Well, I wasn't pointed at you, so they weren't listening.
Doesn't matter, they heard me. I put a fry on his butt crack when he had his pants put on.
Should be just using Sawzall.
We really should have not done that. Alright, this clip's like 3 minutes.
It's just dumb.
What are you doing? Hold it sideways, somebody film.
Oh, I got you.
Where are we gonna? I was just gonna go all the way. Are you gonna back up?
Back up. Alright.
Just go forward. Okay. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going.
Is this good enough?
All right, Snapchat. I'm gonna need you to cooperate.
Oh,
with me.
he's been filming the entire time.
Uh-oh.
Yeah!
Oh, it's so
Woo!
Garrett.
There's a deer! 2 deers.
Oh god!
Oh, real. Oh. Wow.
He put it immediately in reverse.
Dude, what if there's another one, bro? We gotta watch out, dog.
Garrett, it just sounds like a fucking race car.
Rev it. Nice.
We just saw a deer.
Bro, it was like right in front of you.
Jack Part 2.
Oh, that was good.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I accidentally spun tire a little bit. I was like,
Oh man. So how do you like it?
It's good. It's good.
That's good. That sounds super good.
800 sounds good o'clock.
It's fucking loud.
Hit me up on Craigslist. You got my new mixtape up there. What's good? It was
At
fire.
Garrett Portwood.
Ah!
what?
Mine's like
Screaming.
Instagram?
Mine's like
My Instagram at your boy Chun or your boy _ Chun.
I really don't remember what mine is. It's like
Derek.
Derek, what are you doing?
No,
Oh, yeah.
it's Derek _ what are you doing _
No, it's Derek _
what are you
_ doing. Yeah.
I'll
bruh.
I'll also put all 3 of them in the description. So.
There you go.
We did that flyby, we did the drive-by, we went to the gas station, we got some sunflower
Whipping a
seeds.
flipping a yamming a Miata.
Stacks.
There's no.
We did it.
Offers.
2 bolts.
Nobody has a
And
Miata.
instant loud.
Nobody has a Miata.
We all have Miatas. I have a Ford 96 Miata.
I got a 06 Nissan 350
Dude,
Miata.
built Chevy tough.
Yeah, built Chevy tough.
If you don't drive a Stang, then
Then fuck you.
Learning.